Well, I can't believe it. We're in December and we're almost the end of 2020 and we're starting 2021. So hopefully 2021 is a good year for you guys. And it looks like this robot vacuum is ready to wrap up some gifts, getting all ready for the holidays. Well, I wonder what this guy is asking for Christmas. Maybe a new filter or side brush. Hey guys, how's it going? Here is Nathan for Rasmus. So it's kind of cold out there, it's like 12 degrees outside, so I decided to do some filming inside next to my fireplace. Hopefully I can warm up. And I hope you guys are spending some quality time with your friends and family and having a great holidays. We're jumping into 2021. So there's a lot of great products out there. And one of the products we have today is called the MOOSOO MT-501. And thanks so much MOOSOO for sending me out this product and change for review. So we're going to go ahead and check this guy out. This guy has some special features like app control. Also has a very simple single button interface. So it makes it very easy for the user. So let's go ahead and check out the MOOSOO and see what it's all about. Let's get started. The MT-501 has a smaller body diameter. This allows you to effortlessly go around Mr. Shiba and Mr. Rabbit. Yeah, I should probably come up with better names. Also, you notice that wire chair leg in the back? This is the same chair leg I test with other products. And you can see that the 501 can effortlessly go through the chair leg without really getting stuck. So this is a nice example of a smaller robot vacuum has an easier time going around tighter areas. Well, they say that a scale doesn't lie, so I am going to use a scale for this cleaning challenge, and I found that the MOOSOO did a pretty good job picking up a lot of dirt and debris, but I won't spoil it for you guys. I'll give you a percentage towards the end of this video, but you can see that large dustbin. It's around 600 milliliters, and up top there's the filter, and you can see that the dustbin itself weighs about 10.60 ounces, so let's go ahead and put down about 2 ounces of material and see how well the MT-501 does. So for your convenience, I'll go ahead and speed up this section of the video so you guys don't fall asleep on me. So this little fella actually surprised me. This has two cleaning modes. It has an auto mode which uses gyros accelerometers, so you get that more systematic back and forth cleaning pattern, but you also have a random option. So go ahead and jump into your app here and click random, and the robot vacuum will randomly go around your area. Great for smaller areas like this kitchen here. So if you accidentally drop a bag of your Skittles on the ground, don't fret, just grab the MT-501 and let it do its thing. I do recommend not eating the Skittles after the robot vacuum picked them up. Take it from first-hand experience, I tried it and it doesn't taste very good, especially with all that dirt and debris that's around the Skittles. Yeah, just get some fresh Skittles. Well, I guess this guy's a dual-purpose machine, decides to be a vacuum cleaner by day and a bulldozer by night. Yes, this little guy will effortlessly push around your furniture, no problems. Maybe the fact that's because it doesn't have a physical bump sensor, just relies on its infrared sensors up front. Well, it looks like the 501 and Timmy had a little argument off camera, and the 501 decided to take out its aggression on Timmy's docking station. I don't know what they're arguing about, but it seemed like the 501 was pretty mad and he knocked over Timmy's docking station. Hopefully, Timmy can forgive this little guy. Also, I think the 501 was done clean because it tried to escape. There's some benefits to having a robot vacuum that's a little bit more aggressive. For example, if your bed sheets are low hanging, it actually allows the robot vacuum to go through it, whereas some robot vacuums with lighter will treat it as a wall and kind of completely avoid it, so it won't actually go underneath your bed. But this little guy will try its best and push the objects to see if it can get through. Alright, let's go and check out the results of this cleaning challenge. So how I set this up is I went ahead and ran this vacuum twice. Also, it's on its max power mode. This is something I just recently did with the Roborock S4 Max, and it scored a 90.5%. We'll see if the MOOSOO can do any better. And just a spec comparison, this guy has 1800 pascals, whereas the S4 Max had 2000. Yep, it scored the exact same, 90.5%. So here's the robot itself. You can see that it's a single button here. I haven't even taken out the saran wrap. Let's go ahead and do that really quick. My favorite part. Whoa, that's an amazing sound. Okay, so I like the logo here, and you also have a single button. So if you press it once, it starts the robot. Press again to stop it. Also, if you hold it down, it actually activates the Wi-Fi pairing mode. Pretty simple to set up. Also, if you press this twice, it actually goes back to its docking station. So I really like the simple to easy interface. Here's a quick look around the robot. And this robot vacuum actually doesn't have a physical button, just uses infrared sensors. Something I haven't seen on a lot of robot vacuums. They usually have some kind of physical bumper, but this guy doesn't. Now, one nice thing is you do have a physical power switch, so if you go on a long vacation, you can actually turn this robot vacuum off so it doesn't drain the battery. Also, there's a QR code on this side, so it makes pairing really easy. Just grab your smartphone camera, you can pair up to iPhone or Android. Really cool. And here's a quick look underneath the robot. Nothing too crazy, has the usual mechanics. Front wheel caster, you got your side brushes, you also have your cliff sensors, charging contacts, and there's the extractor bar. Here's a quick look at the extractor bar. It's a combination style, and there's a clean tool to get all that hair off. Very nice. And lastly, we also have a little cover here, held on by 2 screws. Makes changing out the battery real easy. So taking out the dustbin is super easy. Just kind of squeeze from the back here, and here's your dustbin. Up top here is your filter. Pretty normal filter here. Also, here's the dustbin itself. I believe this is 600 milliliters, so it's very large for this robot vacuum. And this robot vacuum is a little bit smaller, so yes, you can get into smaller areas. Here's a quick look at the remote control. It's a very handy remote. It has the power on and off right here. Also, you got the return to home right there. Also, there's a directional control pad, so you can steer this robot vacuum like an RC car, or give it to your kids and they can have fun with it. There's a play and pause right there. There's a dedicated wall function, so you can go around your edges and get all the dirt and debris from your baseboards. There's a spot function. I found out the spot function works really well on like carpet, but in like hardwood floors, kind of scatters the debris around. There's a turbo function, goes up to 1300 pascals. And you also have an auto function, which does more of a systematic cleaning function using its gyros. So if you have a larger floor plan, use the auto mode right here. Okay, let's keep on going. I found the robot vacuum to be fairly quiet at 1800 pascals. This is max power mode. Also, I felt like the side brushes could spin a little bit slower. So in this test, you can see that it does scatter some of the dirt and debris around. So I do recommend, after you're doing the edge clean mode, having the robot vacuum clean out the open areas so it can pick up the scattered dirt and debris. Okay, so here's a quick look at the interface here. Pretty simple interface. It's a multi-function button. Also, once you hold it down, it actually will go into Wi-Fi pairing mode. And once you have established a connection, it actually turns solid blue. And there's that giant warning label. Also, it comes with a handy cleaning tool. Very nice for cutting out the hair and also cleaning off the robot vacuum. I like that there's a handy storage for the clean tool, but what about the remote? Where do I put the remote? On top of the robot vacuum? I'm confused now. Maybe I should just stick it in the dustbin here. Yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Stick the remote in the dustbin, you should be good to go. Sweet! Alright, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. I'll give you my 2 thoughts about the MOOSOO MT-501. So I really like the clean design of it, and if you look closely, you can see like this wood grain finish. Kind of gives an upscale look for the price. Also, I like the single button design. It's multi-function, so it makes it really easy for the user. Also comes with a handheld remote, and this guy does support app control, so you can update the software and change out the different functions to your smartphone. So the biggest downside is the aggressiveness. I did find that it does push around the furniture a little bit. So if you have delicate furniture, I do recommend removing it from the cleaning area so it doesn't bang up your furniture too much. So I do like the fact it does come with a physical power switch right here. Also, there's a QR code to make pairing process super easy. It wasn't any problems with pairing up this vacuum to your smartphone. Also, I found that the dual side brushes did a good job picking up the debris from both sides of the robots. Now the downside is they do spin a little bit fast, so they do scatter the debris around a little bit. But it's not as bad as some robot vacuums, but that's just something to note. Okay, so that was just a quick look at the MOOSOO MT-501, and thanks again MOOSOO for sending me out this unit. And I got another MOOSOO product coming down the pipeline, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your holidays, and you guys are safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later.